Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or use PowerPoint as the background of your video lecture so that you have a more interesting and visually engaging video lecture for your digital module. All right then, I'm going to show you how. First, I will stop sharing first. And first of all, what you need to prepare is a PowerPoint presentation, of course. In your PowerPoint presentation, I want you to think about where you are going to put your head and your body, and make sure that you don't have any writing, any sentences on that part. As you can see here, for example, in my second slide, I kept this area blank so that I can put myself there. And also in the following slides, I always have an empty space here, so make sure that you keep an empty space on your PowerPoint. And then make sure that you only put some keywords. Don't make your PowerPoint too wordy so that you can explain more and it's interesting for the students to look at the visual and also look at you explaining the visual in the slides. Once you're ready, let's open your Zoom meeting. I'm sure you know how to start the Zoom meeting and how to record your Zoom meeting. So when you are ready, go to your Zoom meeting. Look at down here, you will see a share screen. Once you go to share screen, you will see some tabs. Up here, we have basic and advanced and files. You have to choose advanced. Okay. After you choose advanced, you choose PowerPoint as a virtual background. If you don't click it, it will be white like this. So you have to click it and turns it into blue color. Once you click it and then you click share and you locate the position of your PowerPoint. I have it here. Uh, so this is the name of the file, contoh PPT. Click it and click open. So in a it might take time if you have a lot of slides there, and voila, you have your PowerPoint as your background. At the beginning, you might find that your face is small like this. It's okay. You can always set it to the size you wish to have. So you can see this blue lines and there is a square at the corner. So you click the square and drag it. Okay, so you can make it bigger like this. Maybe if you sit in the middle, I'm sitting in the middle right now, you don't find the right position, so maybe you have to move a little bit to the left side of your room so that you can find the right position for you. See, you can see why you need to keep an empty space for your in your PowerPoint. Once you're ready, okay, later you can just click the next button to go from one slide to another. Okay, once you are ready, you just need to click record. Okay, click record and then start talking about your PowerPoint. Don't forget to look at the camera once in a while so that you can engage your audience. You don't have to look at all the time. Maybe you sometimes need to look at the slides. Sometimes you need to look at the notes, the scripts. Just be casual and relax. Okay. You can move on to the next slide. You can point like this as if you are pointing to your slides. Um, and also this preparing introduction, your video introduction, things like that. So be flexible, be casual, point to your what is it, PowerPoints once in a while, go back to the screen, go back to the camera, and enjoy your show. All right then, when once you're done with your video, then you can click stop recording. You can find it somewhere here, stop recording, and your video will be ready in a few minutes, and you can just upload it in YouTube